got a feeling. Look what we've overcome. Oh, I'm gonna wave my flag. Count.
Good morning, students. How are you this morning? Okay, good. Okay, before we will begin our learning process today, please fill in our attendance list that I have shared for you in Telegram group. Okay, it's been a really nice day today and I'm so excited to explain our material today. And now we will discuss about asking and giving permission. Okay, students, our learning objective in learning about asking and giving permission in this time is first, that you can know about expressing of asking and giving permission. Second, you can able to make a sentence of asking and giving permission. The third, that you can know or you can choose where is the asking permission and giving permission. And the last, you can make a simple dialogue about asking and giving permission. Okay, continue. Before I will explain for you about asking and giving permission, let's to watch this video.
Halo adik-adik, selamat datang di Ayo Belajar KKN Kediri B Channel. Di video terakhir Ayo Belajar kali ini, kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris tentang asking and giving permission. Permintaan izin dalam bahasa Inggris disebut dengan permission, sedangkan asking and giving permission berarti meminta dan memberi izin. Penggunaan kata please saat meminta izin sangat dianjurkan. Asking for permission. Beberapa kata yang sering diucapkan saat meminta izin dalam bahasa Inggris antara lain can, may, could, dan would. Giving permission. Kata-kata yang dapat digunakan pada saat memberi izin antara lain yes, certainly. Yes, please. Yes, of course. Yes, you may do that. Of course you can. No problem. Please feel free. Sure. Go ahead. No, I don't mind. Refusing permission. Kata-kata yang dapat digunakan ketika menolak atau tidak memberi izin antara lain unfortunately, you can do that. I have to say no for this case. You cannot do that. I am afraid not. Sorry, you are not permitted. Example.
Hi Dad, today is Laura's birthday. There will be a party at her house tonight.
And then?
May I go to Laura's birthday party?
At what time will you get home?
Before 11, I promise.
Who will pick you up?
James.
I have to say no. unless it's me who take you there.
Okay, Dad. I will be ready at 7.
Bella, sorry, I forgot to bring my pen. May I borrow your pen?
Sure, I brought 3 pens. Here you are.
Thanks, Bella. Is it okay if I borrow your ruler too?
Yes, of course. Just use it.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, students, after we watch the video, and I think that video have already explained about asking and giving permission. And before we continue, I would like ask you your opinion or your comprehension about this video, and I would invite you to share it via Telegram, and let's review your answer. Okay, basic from video that I have watched. First, that Okta share him comprehension that he can catch, and that asking and giving permission, that some expression that we can use when we ask or giving permission to someone, said by Okta. And I think it's a good answer, Okta, and you can get it some point in on the video. Next one is Elizabeth say that in her opinion, after she watching the video, she can conclude that the video is discussed is really important, because by topic we can know how to give and how to asking opinion from another when we are talking something. Good, Elizabeth. Your opinion is something important or some good point in expressing of asking and giving opinion. And then Prithuval say that he think asking and giving is one expressing we have to know and how to use it based on the express. So it is one of the speaking subject. Thanks, Miss, said by Prithuval. So the answer from Prithuval are great. That is true. This is how we can express to asking permission for someone, and it's one of the important of the speaking subject, because when we are in expressing something, we are speaking, and this is a good point from Prithuval also. And by Jeffrey, that in his opinion, that exactly there are a lot of expression in asking and giving permission. Therefore, we have to learn it in order be able to understand them all. Okay, that's good, Jeffrey, your opinion. It's exactly that on the video have a lot of expression in asking and giving permission, and how we can able to understand. And that's all your opinion about that video, and let's continue. Okay, students, let's continue. Asking and giving permission. This is some expression we use when we ask permission to use something that belongs to someone else. You just do your best to be politely. So this is really important to say something from other to be polite. It is highly recommended and to use the word like please. This is general word that someone often use to say asking and giving permission. Okay, let's continue. In our Telegram group, I have already sent you some picture here. The first picture explain about when we ask for permission. Here there are many expression that have I put it, and on the right, on the left, on the right, there are some expression when you give permission. What should we can do? For example, when we ask permission, you can say, can I borrow your pen? Could I use your phone? It is okay if I use your computer for a minute, and etc. And when you give permission, we can say like, please, or please do it, and etc. Next, here there are some expression also about asking for giving permission, refusing to give permission also. So in asking we can say can I, may I, and etc. And giving we can say yes, please. We can say do. And when we are want to refusing or refusing permission, we can say no, please don't. It is politely. It is polite to say like that because we always use please, or we usually use please. And here, I'm sorry, but that's not. This is, for example, to refusing permission. Next one is this is also how to ask for and give permission. So this picture I have already sent for you, and I hope you can comprehend this picture. Okay, Okta, thanks for your response. Niskar also, Septi, and Jeffrey. Lisma also, Kasih, Syukur Kasih, thanks for your response. Okay, class, let's continue. Now I want to share some picture and choose where expressing of asking and giving permission on the text. Here there are two picture, and I hope you can choose where is the expressing of asking and giving permission. Here, Gibran and his father say a conversation. Gibran, please daddy, can I use the mobile phone? His father, no, there you can. It's time to go to bed. Gibran, may I read a story before I sleep? His father, sure, but try to sleep early. Gibran, thanks a lot, mommy. The second picture, James, John, sorry, I forgot to bring my pen. May I borrow your pen? John, sure, I bought 3 pens. Here you are. James, thanks, John. Is it okay if I borrow your ruler too? John, yes, of course. Just use it. James, thank you so much. So this is a little conversation, and please choose where is the expression of asking and giving permission here. From Septi, thanks for your response that you say, I think this is of expressing of asking and giving permission. Thanks, Septi. That's why that the picture is expressing or conversation about expressing of asking and giving permission from Elizabeth. In the first picture, Gibran is asking permission while his father is as giving permission. Right, that's true, Elizabeth. Good answer. Thanks for your response, Arlina. Okta also asking permission. Can I use the mobile phone? May I read a story before I sleep? May I borrow your pen? That's good, Okta. And for giving permission, sure, but try to sleep early. Good, Okta, you get it. Kasih, I think the first video about asking permission, miss. That's right, Septi, but where the sentence of asking and giving permission on the dialogue, where is it? Oh, that's you mean pictures, Kasih. No problem. Okay, class.
Thanks for your response in this class. So before we will close our learning process, here I have put 5 question, and please answer this question, and next week I will ask the answer as well as review for you. I hope you enjoy on our learning process today and you can get it our material today. So we will closing our learning process today, and please fill our attendance list before. Thanks for your response, and thanks for you have fill in our attendance.
Okay, students, we have already talked about asking and giving permission, and that's all our explanation about pressing of asking permission. I hope you can understand, you can get it, you can know and understand every my explanation about our topic today, and I hope you enjoy in this class today, and see you next week.